600 Alpha. Multiple people blocked my cruiser, banging my windows.
I'm going to be out with a large group of individuals in the parking lot behind electronic. I've got a huge crowd. They're hitting my car. I need to expedite.
Direct attention on units, channels restricted.
I have a huge crowd around my car. They've all got masks on. They're beating on my cruiser.
Attention on units, signal 1.
"641 Alpha, I just got hit by a fucking car. Massive tag. It's going to be a silver Nissan. Going towards that. The lights off right now. Several people hanging out.
Direct 641 Alpha been struck by a vehicle.
Ivan, it's going to be a Maryland tag, silver Nissan. Just ran me over.
Direct, are you injured?
I'm going to have a busted wrist right now, but we'll turn around chasing it down.
Watch Commander, you direct on that.
641 Alpha. I was walking up to the officers who were needing help. The driver turned into me, hit me with his side view mirror and window. Watch Commander 2, is anyone in pursuit?
60 Alpha, are y'all in pursuit?
60 Alpha, yes, pursuit. Vehicle occupied about 5 times.
Watch Commander, you direct?
Commander 2, I'm direct. I got a control of it. It's approved. Take the radio.
Direct.
North Sunland backward, towards Braddock.
Fairfax 1 just passed Hummer, still westbound 236.
Approaching 495, getting on Tyson's Corner, 495 north.
All right, Fairfax 1, we're overhead. We'll call the pursuit. They're on the on-ramp from 236 getting on to 495 towards Tyson.
60 Alpha. The vehicle's pulling away from us. It's too fast. I'm cutting it off.
Direct.